Timmy Xu is a Chinese actor and singer-songwriter best known for playing the character Bai Luan in the Chinese web series Addicted. Since childhood, Xu has pursued various artistic endeavors including dancing, singing, music composition, and playing instruments, especially the guitar. He learned Latin dance for more than 10 years and won the Gold Award from the Imperial Society of Teachers of Dancing. Xu was the first solo artist from mainland China to hold a concert in South Korea and to be officially invited as a guest to the Billboard Music Awards in 2017. In 2021, he starred in Ping Pong Live. The same year, he also played Weaving, A Tale of Love. In 2020, he starred in Dear Myung Street. The same year, he also played Midsummer is Full of Love. In 2019, she started filming for new TV series Dear Myung Street. Later, he was selected to sing the theme song for the China's Youth Integrity Education. In May 2019, she attended the Hunan TV Gala for the 100th anniversary of the May 4th movement as a representative of outstanding young actors. In addition, he attended the Beijing Winter Olympics Countdown 1000 Days ceremony as their ambassador. This was the first time Xu was the MC for the event, where he performed his song Glory on the stage. On November 19, 2018, it was announced that Xu had been cast in the sports drama Ping Pong. Later, he was selected to sing the theme song for the China's Communist Youth League and China's 40 years of reform celebration. In December 2018, he attended the Beijing Television's 2019 New Year Global Gala. In July 2018, Xu joined Shake It Up, a dance variety show on Shanghai TV, winning the second place in the final round of the competition. On July 5, the physical album of the time started pre-sale on JD.com and sold more than 13,000 copies within 1 hour. On July 10, the Taiwanese version of the physical album of the time started pre-sale and instantly ranked first on the sales chart. Later, Entertainment Star Business revealed the 2018 Star Commercial Value list, in which Xu ranked first on the top potential artist. He also ranked in the 2018 Forbes 30 Under 30 China Artist list. Sina Weibo revealed the 2017 Popular Star list, and Xu was placed 10th on the top 10 stars with the highest repost with 65.99 million. His post in Sanaya was placed 10th on the top 10 most popular post with 6.69 million fan interactions. Moreover, 15 Minutes for Craziness ranked 4th on the top 10 music topics with 380 million views. His music video The Heroes, which was posted on Sina Music, was also placed 4th on the top 10 popular music chart. On September 1, 2017, he launched his first photo book entitled This is Timmy, published by Jingdong. Later, CCTV officially announced that Xu was one of the 100 singers to sing the China song for celebrating the 40th anniversary of China's reforms. He also attended the annual Anhui TV Drama Awards on December 16.